Hi everyone, and thank you for joining me in my tutorial for Corel PhotoPaint 2021 Mac version, but please note that the same applies for the Windows edition. So let's get started. Today's video is about stitching two images together or joining them together. So it could happen for a number of reasons. You took photos on multiple pages and you'd like to put them together to either export them to a PDF or just to resave them as one JPEG instead of having all these different JPEGs. So whatever the reason, here's a quick way of doing it. So I'll open two JPEG files. So first in PhotoPaint, go to File, Open. And I have some files on my desktop here in the folder called Recording. So I'll grab 2 and 3, File 2 and 3. And they will come up. So then from the image menu, you see File 2 here and then 3. All right, so image menu, stitch. So both are from the sources. So we want to select them both, add all, click OK. So you see this dialog where basically they're showing there. So if your images were to go on top of one another, you could just realign them that way. Or if you want to keep them side by side or move them to another side, like basically you can play around as much as you want. So let's say I wanted to join them at this part here, so these two connect here. They're not equal, doesn't matter, don't worry about it for now. If you want it to be very precise, you can always zoom in using the zoom tool, zoom in, zoom out. Let's say it's pretty well where we want it. So just click OK at this point. So the image will be stitched together. So you're saying, well, great, they're stitched where I want it, but there's all this excess white area, which is normal. So you just grab the crop tool and then just crop the area you want to keep and then double click and it will crop it for you. So now, like I was saying, if you want to save it back as, like I said, a JPEG or a CPT file, or you would save as a CPT or export as a BMP, a JPEG, whatever. Could be a PDF. So I'm just showing you the different options. So there you go. It's as simple as that. And there's the export of a PDF version in Office. So feel free to play around. And it's as simple as that. You just stitch your two images together. All right. Have a good day, everyone.